Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP MM Invoice Verification. So, every organization acquires goods or services to complete its business needs. And once goods are procured from a vendor and placed in company's premises through goods receipt, we need to pay to the vendor for the acquired goods and services. The amount to be paid along with the details of the material is provided by the vendor in the form of a document that is known as the invoice. So before paying to the vendor, we need to verify the invoice, and this process of verifying the invoice before making a payment is known as invoice verification. The key points to note about invoice verification are: invoice verification marks the end of procurement and after purchase order and goods received. Invoice posting updates all the related documents in financial and accounting. Blocked invoice that vary from actual invoice can be processed through invoice verification. One normally comes across the terms in invoice verification: posting of invoice, blocked invoice, evaluated receipt, settlement ERs. Posting of invoice. Posting of invoice is done after having received the goods from the vendor and after having completed the goods receipt. The invoice received from a vendor is verified against cost, quantity and quality by the ordering party, and then the invoice is posted against that purchase order. This is the phase where the vendor seller is paid from the company and reconciliation of the invoice and PO is accomplished. Steps to post an invoice. Logistics, material management, logistic invoice verification, document entry, enter invoice, T-code MIR. On the SAP menu screen, select enter invoice by following the path. Fill in all the necessary details such as invoice, posting date, amount that is paid to the vendor along with quantity for which the amount is paid. Click on Save. Invoice is now posted for the goods received. Blocked invoice. Sometimes the accounting department may not be able to pay as vendor as per the invoice list. This may happen in the scenario. Try to post an invoice, however the system expects certain default value against the purchase order or the goods received, and the posted invoice differs from the default value. This may lead to invoice blocking. Invoice blocking is caused due to variance in amount at item level and variance in quantity at item level.